Nestled in the Imingfjell highlands of Norway, the hooded cabin offers a retreat designed to coexist with the rugged and open mountain landscape. Surrounded by rocks, lakes, and extreme weather changes, the cabin doesn't attempt to dominate its surroundings. Instead, it's designed to become a natural part of the landscape, which has been shaped over thousands of years. The cabin's most striking feature is its large roof, which wraps around the building like a protective hood. This element not only creates a strong visual identity, but also provides protection from the wind, rain, and snow that frequently batter Norway's mountainous regions. Natural wood cladding on the upper level blends with the black volumes below, creating a simple yet impactful composition. Inside, the main spaces are efficiently arranged to maximize comfort within a relatively compact space. The seating, dining, and kitchen areas are positioned to face the view through large glass openings. The presence of natural light and panoramic mountain views make nature an integral part of the cabin experience. Wood dominates the interior, creating a warm atmosphere that contrasts with the cold climate outside. Natural colors and simple details create a calm and comfortable space to rest after outdoor activities. Each element is designed with a functional approach, without excessive ornamentation that disturbs the serenity of the space. The hooded cabin demonstrates how architecture can be born from an understanding of place and climate. With its distinctive form, honest materials, and strong connection to the surrounding landscape, the cabin offers a simple yet meaningful living experience, a shelter that not only protects its inhabitants, but also strengthens their connection to the pristine Norwegian mountains.